What's up, guys? Welcome to the Crypto Savvy channel. I'm Craig, and we're going to go over the Bitcoin charts. I'm going to let you know the targets I think are coming next and what will invalidate that. But I wanted to put a quick video out this morning because a trading competition has started on Prime XBT for the Crypto Savvy followers. If you're signed up using my link already, you're already in it. You don't even have to do anything. You're already in the trade competition. If you want to join and you're not signed up using my link, I'll leave a link below to sign up directly to the competition. Here's the prizes here. So $5,000 in prizes. First prize gets $500 cash plus $500 trading voucher, so you can use it towards your trading. Second is $350 cash. Third is $250. Also, don't forget, if you're new and signing up using my link, you will get a $10,000. It's almost over, up to $10,000 bonus, 100% deposit bonus. So whatever you put in, they'll match it 100% up to $10,000. If you go into the promo code section and you put in the promo code Crypto Savvy 100, that will get it for you if you are already signed up using my link. If you're not, once you sign up using my link, I think it automatically goes in there. But anyways, check it out, guys. You guys been asking for a trading competition. Here it is. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. So this is my chart from last week, right? So we had a measured move to 104.7 was the breakdown from this rising wedge in white, right? Came back up, we retested it. Now here's the question. Do we come down to our next target, which is the measured move of this yellow rising wedge, or green, whichever it is? You guys know I'm colorblind, but that's why my charts are so colorful. But anyways, our next target would be 96.64, but we first have to break this level here. So we're going to get rid of our old target. We're going to put this down here. So this is what we're watching for. Now, if we break up past this point here, like 108, then we're probably going to go up and retest this range around 114, 115. But as of right now, I'm looking for a break of this. It could be possibly, this isn't the cleanest, but it could be a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And if that's the case, with it being a head and shoulders, our next right here, this. So if we break this, we measure from the head to the neck. This is a simple measurement, and depending on where it breaks, right? So if it was to break, you know, this week still, we may be around 103. If it was to break in a couple weeks, or I'm sorry, not a couple weeks, but a few days to a week, this would get us to, let's say, 4 days. That would get us to around 94. And if you remember, this is a huge trend line. That could be a retest of the trend line. Now, if we get a bounce there, then we could have another new all-time high coming afterwards. But you can see the peaks from 21, right? We bring that straight over. We battled with it for a while. Once this breaks, it hits, it's a pretty big breakdown. This one was from 93 all the way down to 76, so right around $15,000. Oh, if you guys been watching my trades, we're up big time. I think in the last 2 weeks we're up like $37,000. I posted it on my X. You can use the link down below to follow me on X if you want to do so. Also, the free Discord link is down below. But this is what I'm looking for, guys. These are my next targets for the downside. First, we have to break this 103.5 to 103.8 range. If we break that, I think our next line of support is going to be right here around that 98.6. And if that breaks, then we're looking for that 94-ish, 94.5. But remember, this is going to be huge support. If this breaks, though, it'll be a massive break to the downside, most likely coming down to at least this low again, the 74,000. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys leave a comment below. Make sure you smash the thumbs up, share the video, help people out, people that you know trade. Share the video, they can get it in the trade competition. And thanks again for watching, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget, smash the like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure your notification bells are ticked so you get notified when I post new videos. Take it easy, guys. I'm out.